Have you ever tried to read tiny text on a label or menu but opening accessibility feels too slow? Your Galaxy S25 Ultra already has a built-in magnifier, and adding it as a home screen widget might be the quickest way to access it. To do so, while you are on your home screen, long press on an empty area, then tap Widget. Scroll down and find Magnifier, or you can use the search bar, then type the name to find the widget quickly. Tap the Magnifier Widget, and then tap Add to automatically place it on the empty area on your home screen. Or you can drag and drop the widget to manually place it on the desired area. To use the magnifier, tap the magnifier widget. As you can see, it opens the rear camera with zoom control. Use the slider to zoom in or out. You can also tap the flashlight icon if you are in the dark place. If you want better clarity, use filter and adjust brightness or contrast. And if you need to keep what you are looking at, just tap the camera icon to take a photo. The magnifier widget is perfect if you want fast visual access without using button combination or accessibility menus. One tap and you are ready to zoom. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.